Hey there, tech enthusiasts and productivity seekers, welcome back to the channel. Today, you're about to learn 10 AI tools that save you hours every week. Now, I know what you're thinking, another AI video. But stick around because this isn't just fluff. We're diving deep into real, actionable hacks that will supercharge your workflow. Before we jump in, let's talk numbers. This channel's view count and subscriber growth is not just for show, it is a testament to the credibility of the information we share. So trust me when I say, these tools are game changers. Alright, let's kick things off with number 1, ChatGPT 4.5. This AI powerhouse is your new best friend for summarizing long documents, drafting emails, and rapid-fire brainstorming. But here is where it gets juicy. Use ChatGPT hacks like time blocking, meeting prep, and task slicing to really level up your game. And don't forget the file upload feature. Toss in a PDF or spreadsheet and watch it extract key insights like magic. Moving on to number 2, Claude 4. This bad boy handles massive contexts. We are talking 200,000 tokens. It's perfect for tackling complex reports and excels at reasoning tasks. If you are dealing with legal or technical writing, Claude's got your back. Number 3 on our list is Perplexity. Think of it as your instant research engine. It answers queries with sources, saving you precious Google time. It is a lifesaver for fact-checking and creating quick summaries. Fourth up, we have got Notebook. Upload your notes, slides, or PDFs and boom, you have got audio overviews or Q&A summaries at your fingertips. It's like having a study buddy that never sleeps. Now, let's talk about number 5, Motion and Reclaim. These tools are calendar wizards, automatically scheduling your day around priorities. Reclaim's a pro at rescheduling meetings, while Motion rebuilds your entire plan when things change. No more scheduled Tetris for you. 6th on our list are Superhuman and Mailmestro. Superhuman's AI manages your inbox and drafts replies in your tone, while Mailmestro takes it a step further with AI personalities for different email vibes. Say goodbye to inbox overwhelm. Lucky number 7 is Fireflies. This tool is like your personal meeting assistant. It joins calls automatically, transcribes everything, and even extracts action items. Plus, it identifies speakers and gives you a neat next step list after each meeting. 8th up, we have got Notion AI. This is not just note-taking, it's note-making on steroids. It writes, edits, summarizes, and even answers queries about your workspace. And with Notion Mail, you can integrate your Gmail for AI-powered drafting and scheduling. Number 9, Asana AI Agents. Create custom AI helpers inside Asana to automate tasks like status updates and reports. The best part, no coding required. These agents keep your projects on track without breaking a sweat. And finally, number 10, a trio of specialized AI tools. Manus AI, Obit, and AISD are agents. Manus AI builds workflows for sponsor searches and outreach. Obit acts as your FAQ or onboarding assistant trained on your docs. And AISD are tools like Lavender Auto-Write and optimize cold email sequences. Talk about a productivity trifecta. Now, let's look at some real-life examples. Rocketeer, a design agency, uses ChatGPT, Notion, and other AI tools to run a 4-day workweek. They have cut burnout and boosted efficiency. Over at Deloitte, their MyAssist platform handled millions of queries and slashed report drafting time by 50%. Even the Australian newspaper is getting in on the AI action, streamlining their operations. But wait, there's more. Here are some quick hacks you can implement right now. Use the task slicer technique to break big projects into 20-minute chunks. Generate meeting agendas and follow-up sequences with ChatGPT or Claude. And for those long articles you've been avoiding, use summarizer tools to get the gist in seconds. Now, I know what you are thinking. This sounds great, but where do I start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here are some tips. First, start with free tiers. Most of these tools offer trial versions, so you can test the waters without breaking the bank. Second, pick 1 or 2 tools to integrate into your workflow first. Don't try to overhaul everything at once. That's a recipe for overwhelm. Next, track the time you are saving each week and adjust your workflow slowly. Rome was not built in a day, and neither is the perfect productivity system. And remember, always check AI outputs manually. These tools are amazing, but they are not infallible. Let's do a quick recap of our game-changing tools. ChatGPT 4.5, Claude for Perplexity, Notebook, Motion, Reclaim, Superhuman, Mail Maestro, Fireflies, Notion AI, Asana AI agents, and our specialized trio of Manus AI, Obit, and AISD are tools. Now, if you are wondering which one to start with, it really depends on your role. If you are a content creator, I would say dive into ChatGPT or Notion AI. For project managers, Asana AI agents could be a game changer. And if you are in sales or marketing, those AISD or tools might just be your new secret weapon. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know which tool you think would save you the most time. Your insights not only help me create better content, but also help our whole community level up their productivity game. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Hit the notification bell too, so you never miss out on the latest productivity hacks and AI tools. Remember, the future of work is here, and it is powered by AI. So why not embrace it and reclaim those precious hours in your week? Until next time, stay productive, stay curious, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. See you in the next video.